Have you ever voted before?
I have not.
You haven't voted. Why not? Have you ever voted before?
Oh yes, I've been voting since 18. As soon as I turned 18.
I have never missed a vote.
Just for like school stuff, like class president and that kind of stuff.
I've never voted before.
I have not voted.
I voted once before.
2 years ago.
The fall election.
Last year.
Have you voted before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Why did you vote?
Like I feel like it's one of the simplest ways to kind of give your opinion, no matter what that is.
I think it's really important to take the time to make sure that your voice is heard.
Previously, I didn't vote. And I was like, does my one vote even make a difference?
I voted because I didn't like the way I saw the country going.
I vote for change. Hope that there can be a change.
If we don't vote, then the people that wind up being elected may or may not represent what we want them to.
Why do you think voting is important?
It's a right that we have that some people don't have.
I do think voting is important, but I just don't have that much knowledge about it.
It's a way to get your word out, whether it's for the country, whether it's for their tiny town or a huge city.
Even to some people, it may seem just like one vote.
If you don't vote, there'll be no change. That's the main thing we're looking for, to change things.
Why do you think it's important for young people to vote?
I think it's important for young people to vote to have a voice in the future of our country.
Younger voices, younger people have different opinions.
We're the future. We're the up and coming.
In the long run, it's our generation.
We want to build a future that we can look forward to for both us and our children and the future generations to come.
Having younger people being involved in this will hopefully mean that as they age, they'll continue to be involved.
Do you wish that you did have more knowledge?
Yeah, I wish I had more knowledge about voting because, I mean, it does affect me. It affects everybody.
If they don't know how to vote, ask somebody. Go get a brochure, go to the library.
Go down to the voting booths. There are people there that will look up your district, make sure that you're registered. If you're not registered, they'll tell you how. It's super simple.
How would you encourage someone to vote?
I've always encouraged people to vote. I never encourage people to vote for a particular candidate.
It's not something you're forced to do, but it's a privilege that we have.
Take a look around you. If you want something to change or you want something to stay the same, that's your opportunity to vote.
Everyone here at Western has their own story and a story to tell and a way to impact others, and they can do that by voting.